Hi guys, welcome back to Kuwait Survival, day 23. I already packed my lunchbox and now I'm getting ready for work. A new week has started, so let's see what today brings. I'm near the lift now. As always, I'm running a little late. I think being late has become part of my daily routine. Let's go! I just stepped outside. Wow, the heat is already intense. Come on, guys, let's walk to the bus stop before the sun gets even stronger. While walking, I noticed they finally opened a shortcut using a wooden bridge. Let's cross it and save some time. Oh no! My shoes got dirty. I'll have to clean them once I reach the office. Let's keep moving. I almost reached the bus stop. Hopefully the bus comes quickly because I'm already late for work. Guys, I skipped recording the bus journey today. I have reached Shark now and I'll get down near Asima Mall. I reached Asima Mall. Before going to the office, I want to complete my 4,000 step walking goal. Even though I'm feeling tired, walking always makes me feel fresh later. The atmosphere inside Asima Mall is really nice for walking. So today I'm doing my walk on the second floor. Done with my steps. Now it's time to head to the office. Mondays always feel a little boring. Honestly, I wish life had 3 days of holiday and only 4 working days. Office stress, the extreme heat outside. Sometimes it feels difficult, but we have to keep going. Guys, I have reached the Shark Business Towers. These towers are among the most iconic landmarks in Kuwait City and give this area a modern business vibe. This is the view from my office. Whenever I feel stressed or a little down, I simply turn my chair around, sip a cup of coffee, and enjoy this beautiful street view. Somehow it gives me a little peace before getting back to work. Finally, my duty is over. I was hoping to receive my salary today, but because of a company issue, the payment got delayed. Hopefully, I'll receive it next week. Right now, no salary, no money, only 2 KD left. Almost all my groceries are finished, so I have to manage very carefully. I'm waiting at the bus stop now. One thing I always notice is that some people still don't keep public places clean, even when there are dustbins nearby. Keeping the city clean is everyone's responsibility. I caught bus number 15 towards Malia. From there, I'll change to bus number 21 for Khaitan. I wanted to buy groceries today, but with only 2 Kuwaiti dinars in my pocket, I have to be very careful. So I decided to buy only eggs. Around 1 Kuwaiti dinar gets me about 30 eggs, which is enough to manage for a few days. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Eggs will be my main food until my salary arrives. Sometimes life becomes difficult, but we just adjust and keep moving forward. For now, I'll pause my gym expenses and focus on managing my daily needs. I got 21 number bus, guys. Let's go. I reached Khaitan. Look at these birds. Sometimes I feel they're luckier than us. They don't need visas, jobs, or money. Just freedom. There's also a small green area here beside the road. It almost reminds me of India. I think it would be a nice place for a morning jog. Crossing this road needs extra attention. It may not look very wide, but vehicles pass at high speed. If you're in Kuwait, always be careful while crossing the road. Now I'm walking towards Grand Hyper in Khaitan. It's one of the oldest and busiest supermarkets in this area. You'll always find plenty of people shopping here. I have entered Grand Hyper. At the entrance, they display seasonal offers and daily essentials. The ground floor mainly has groceries and household items, while the upper floor has electronics, clothes, and many other products. I have entered Grand Hyper. At the entrance, they display seasonal offers and daily essentials. The ground floor mainly has groceries and household items, while the upper floor has electronics, clothes, and many other products. Come on, guys, let's take a quick tour inside Grand Hyper. Grand Hyper is one of the favorite shopping places for many families and workers living in Kuwait. Here, you can find almost everything under one roof, including fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, seafood, bakery items, dairy products, frozen foods, spices, snacks, and drinks. There are also kitchen items, cleaning products, toiletries, electronics, clothes, and home essentials. During weekends and evenings, the supermarket becomes very crowded because people come to buy groceries for the whole week. You can meet people from many different countries shopping together, which shows how multicultural Kuwait is. Regular discount offers help many people save money on their monthly shopping. The supermarket is clean, well organized, and fully air conditioned, making it comfortable even during the hot summer months. For many residents, visiting Grand Hyper is not just shopping, it's part of their daily life and weekend routine. Shopping done! I bought my eggs and now I'm heading back to my room. By the time I came out, it was already night. That's the end of today's Kuwait survival vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.